Hi everyone and welcome to this second part to make this base body for LoL. If you haven't seen the previous videos yet, in the description of this video you can find the links. And if you are ready, let's continue to make the union with the arms. We will continue with round 33 and we will start with 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and now 1 decrease, and we will continue repeating 6 single crochet and 1 decrease 3 times more. We will finish this round with 28 points. From round 34 to 36 we will make 28 single crochet in each round. 1, 2, 3, and we will continue doing single crochet until finish this round, and the same on round 35 and 36. 28 single crochet. On round 37 I will make one chain only for secure for the moment, and we will put some mark on each side. Put the body in front of you, and in each side you will put some mark. If for you this round will be just a little different, it's okay. It's something similar like we already made on the legs, for the union on the legs, and you need that that each arm will be on each side with the finger on the front. Then I will show you exactly the points that I need to make until the mark. In my case, I will start with 12 single crochet. One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12 in the mark. If you made 13 or 11, it's okay. Now take one arm, and on my case I will start in the same single crochet that I finished this arm, but you need that the finger will be on the front. Starting here, this finger is on the front, you can see. Then here I will make 10 single crochet. 1, at the same time you can hide this thread. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now I will make 14 single crochet on the body. 1, 1, 2, don't worry about it, this we will close later. Then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14 on the mark. Now take the another arm, and you can see how I do it. I can start here because the finger we need that will be on the front. Then you need to make this, and on this side insert the hook, and that's it. And 10 single crochet on this arm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And for the end, 2 single crochet more on the body here. 1 and 2. I will start this union with 12 single crochet and 2 more at the end, and will be 14, and 14 on the front, and it's perfect. But if you don't make like that, it's okay, don't worry about that. Then we already finished this round with 48 points. I will hide this thread on the arm, put it inside, one chain for secure for the moment. And with only 2 threads from the same yarn, and using a wool needle, we will close. Pay close attention, and you can see how I do this. And now we can continue with round 38, and we will repeat 12 times, 2 single crochet and 1 decrease. 1 single crochet, 1 more in the next point, and now 1 decrease. And we will continue repeating the same in all round. We will finish this round with 36 points. On round 39, We will repeat 12 times, 1 single crochet and 1 decrease, 1 single crochet and now 1 decrease. And we will continue repeating the same until finish this round with 24 points. Now I will put some stuff on the arm and on the body. Put enough stuff, please. Well, you can see now how I put more stuff on the arm, but you can put more stuff later after close the head. Now we can continue with round 40 and we will repeat 8 times, 1 single crochet and 1 decrease. Put the mark and start with 1 single crochet and later 1 decrease. And we will continue repeating the same until finish this round with 16 points. From round 41 to 44, we will make 16 single crochet in each round for the neck. 1 single crochet, 1 more, and we will continue doing single crochet until finish this round and the same until round 44. I'm already finished the round 44. I will make 1 chain only for secure for the moment. And I'm already put more stuff, lot of stuff. And also, we already finished this second part. In the next tutorial, we will make all the head. I hope and you like this tutorial. And if it's like that, please don't forget to give me your like and your comments. I really appreciate it and that support this wonderful project. And if you haven't subscribed yet on this channel, what are you waiting for? I invite you to do it and activate the bell and you will receive notification every time that I upload a new video. Thanks a million for watching this one to the end. Until next part. Bye bye.